Welcome everyone. Acetic acid to malonic acid. This is acetic acid. Acetic acid reacts with bromine in the presence of a small amount of phosphorus to form 2-bromoacetic acid. This reaction is known as the Hell-Vollard-Zelensky reaction. 2-bromoacetic acid reacts with alcoholic KCN to give 2-cyanoacetic acid. 2-cyanoacetic acid reacts with H3O plus to yield malonic acid. Thank you for watching this video.